Okay, this is video 1 for the collage project. I'm going to show you actually how to collage inside your different shapes on your drawing. So you need your drawing, you need a sheet of tracing paper, a pencil, scissors, maybe some clear tape, a glue stick, and then whatever materials you're going to use to cut and to fill in. So there could be painted newspaper, the magazine pages, there's a couple other options too. So the first step is you're going to decide where you want to fill in, like what space you want to fill in. So let's say I want to fill in the inside of this jar right here. So I'm going to take my piece of tracing paper and at the edge, and I'm going to draw a pencil line. I'm going to draw an outline of the shape that I want to fill. So I'm drawing right on the inside of the black Sharpie. So this is my space. So I have that, and now I'm going to do a rough cut. So I'm just going to take it off the big sheet of paper. So here's my shape, and I have already selected my color scheme. So I was going with green, white, and turquoise. So I'm going to use this right here, this color right here. Okay, so I want to have that fit right there. So what I'm going to do is I need this to stay on the page because the tracing paper is a little slippery, so sometimes it moves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually tape this down. You can tape it or you can glue the edges, whichever you want. And then I'm going to cut this out. So I do what I call another rough cut. So I'm working with a smaller size piece, and then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut right on my line. You have to think about this kind of like a puzzle. So you're making pieces to put together your puzzle. Okay, so that's done. So then if you've done it right, this should slide right off. I don't need the tracing paper part. And then this is going to fit right there. So I take my glue stick and I put glue on my paper. And I'm going to fit this right in here. Okay. So you want to think about not doing anything that's too busy. So this is a little bit busy, so maybe I want to choose, well, it's not too bad. Maybe I want to choose in another section something a little bit more solid, or I want to choose something maybe that has a little bit texture down here. You want to balance your colors. Remember to stick with your color scheme so it all kind of makes sense at the end, and use really good craftsmanship. So if you need to see this again, you should rewind it and watch it again if you're not sure how to do this. It's really important that you fill the spaces well. If you, for instance, don't get this space completely filled, it's okay. You can go back with your Sharpie and like fill in the edges a little bit, or we'll just leave the brown of the paper showing. That would be okay. All right, use good craftsmanship, do your best work, and come see me with questions.